Welcome to Hypermotive. Fresh in the stock, we have this 2024 74 plate Land Rover Defender 110. It's a 3 litre and it's the D350, so it's the higher horsepower. Finished in Santorini black metallic. Has the 5-spoke 22-inch black alloy wheels. The black pack, which includes the front and rear bumpers being painted in black from factory. It's got the wheel cover on the back, which smartens up the back a little bit. So the previous owner, it's only one owner car from new, had the calipers painted orange, which actually look pretty cool. Got fender side steps. So this one is an HSE Panoramic, so really high spec. Meridian sound system, memory seats, has Apple CarPlay. I'll put my seatbelt on, otherwise it's going to keep on beeping. So Apple CarPlay connected through here. Wireless charging. It's got heated and cooled seats. So I've got my cool seat on, but you can also go hot or cold. It's also got heated seats in the rear. 360 camera and reverse camera. It's got panoramic glass roof, so operates. You can have a tilt and slide. Multifunction steering wheel, heated steering wheel as well on that button. You can see the car's done just under 8,000 miles, so nice genuine low mileage. Also has the rear view mirror camera. Memory seats on the driver's and the passenger front. It beeps because I got the key in my pocket. It has adaptive cruise control, automatic matrix LED headlights with the signature Defender LED daytime run lights. Really smart car. Any questions, or if you want to book an appointment to have a look at the car, please don't hesitate to give me a call, or you can email me, sales@hypermotive.co.uk.